It's a challenge in a short period of time to actually train somebody to get up to speed. But what it did do with Keira is introduce us to somebody who we wouldn't have met. The Go Wales scheme, it was just a really good way of us, again, extending out part of what we're trying to do, which is provide opportunities for young artists to experience what it's like to run a space like ours. The 2-week placement with Keira filled a need for us, and now we've got Keira as an extra member of staff who we can call on at any moment in time, knowing that she knows how MADE works. I just think it's really important that young people get the chance to get an in somewhere. I recommend the Go Wales scheme to any employer. They're keen, they're expressing an interest in your business, it's beneficial for everyone.